Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm with my mom and we're going to be dyeing my hair. If you're quarantined, we all have 10-inch roots. We're going to be using the L'Oreal Preference hair dye. Basically, we're going to be doing a single process and just going to be bringing it down the last 5 minutes. This is what they do to me at the salon. The bottom of my hair is already so light, so we never really do a full double process. I brought her along because I would get up myself.
Wow.
Yeah.
Not to say that's not going to come out perfect.
We're kind of just
bad.
Yeah. We're just hoping for the best. So stay tuned. So right now she's just gonna mix everything together. Is it my color? Maybe. This is kind of my color, you know, when I first get my hair done. I'm going to be using a purple shampoo afterwards just to get this yellow tone out. Luckily, if I put purple shampoo in my hair for like 5 to 10 minutes, my hair gets super ashy, so I don't really have to do a crazy toner all over. I'm going to tone obviously the top of my hair so I don't end up with orange or green hair. Right now, Mom?
So I've just added bottle number 2 to 1, and we have to mix it for a little bit.
Yeah, I was a little afraid.
You can see a little bit on the inside that it's mixing well.
I was a little afraid just to use like straight lightener. I didn't want to, you know, not have hair tomorrow.
Here we go.
She's kind of being pretty careless right now and just going through my hair. But you know, who has time to really section it out?
It could always be corrected.
Yeah, you know, when the salons reopen.
Have faith.
She's going really fast too. I mean, this is gonna be done really quick. She has almost my whole head done and it's not even been a minute.
Don't make me laugh.
We're so done. I actually put a deep conditioner in my hair yesterday and I didn't use any shampoo or anything. I just deep conditioned my hair so that it would be nice and soft for her because my hair gets really knotty and it looks really great right now. But it softened my curls for her so she could go through it really nicely and easy, and that's probably why she's working through it like a champ right now. And hopefully not missing any spots. It's a good hairstyle. Say it again.
It started a trend.
Oh yeah. I'm sure this was like an 80s hairstyle. I think I've seen
the 80s.
I'm pretty sure I've seen a picture of you like this.
Probably. How am I combing this through is what I wanted to know.
I don't know. Do we have enough hair color?
Yeah, you have enough hair color, but I'm saying because it's so curly at the ends and it seems like it's getting knotty.
Oh, great.
Obviously.
That's why I really recommend for you to do the treatment, the leave-in treatment, so that your hair is not...
The back of your hair is very curly.
Want to show them? Should I turn?
No, it's too late now.
Oh, okay. In my previous video, I talked about curl patterns. I have a ton of them. The top of my hair in the front is pretty straight. It has like a slight wave. It's because that's the most processed piece of my hair. I straighten it every single day. It's where my bangs are. But the bottom part of my hair I barely touch, so it has the nicest curl pattern. It is probably the most coarse part of my hair, and that is why she wants to kill me right now. But you know, we'll work through it. So not even 5 minutes in and this girl got the whole head done basically. I mean, amazing. I don't know, I mean, if my roots are slightly darker, I really don't care. That's kind of the look I've always
What happens
had.
if your roots are slightly lighter?
We tone it? I don't know. So sorry for anybody who's watching this that works in a salon. You know, I used to work in a salon, so if anyone's watching it from there, I'm sorry that I used box dye, and I'm sorry I didn't consult any of you. I like learned so much working there, and I almost didn't follow anything that I learned.
I didn't learn anything.
We didn't learn, she didn't learn anything, so, you know.
Okay. I think you're good.
Oh, wow.
It says 40 minutes.
Okay, so I'm not kidding when I say this. She just did this under 5 minutes, and It's going to take more processing time than anything. It says to leave in for 40 minutes, which is kind of worrisome. I really hope I have hair left at the end of this. So I'm going to eat a snack and wait for 40 minutes. I'll come back. And did you put it all over my head?
Yes, I did.
Is it in here?
It is everywhere.
It's, wait, I told you, I told you to wait till the last 5 minutes.
No, I didn't comb it through.
Oh, she didn't.
I did your roots.
Okay, she didn't comb it through. My roots have everything in it. Then the last 5 minutes, so within 35 minutes of everything in, we're gonna comb it through the rest of my hair. We're only gonna let the lightener in for 5 minutes, which still scares me. We're still gonna do it. We'll see what happens. So just wait. I just want to say that I'm pretty sure my hair is turning orange, but she says it's processing. Guys, I'm scared. So look like it's turning orange. No, it looks green in this light, but I don't know. I'm scared.
I see more green than I see orange.
I don't know. This light's freaking me out. It still has 40 minutes to change its mind to be blonde.
She may be a brunette tomorrow.
If it turns orange, I'm just gonna dye my whole head brown. So this is gonna be an experience, but the virus has really, it has gave me 10-inch roots. So it's either I was gonna be platinum or brown. Okay, so 40 minutes has passed. But I've decided, since the rest of my hair is really light and I don't want to lose my hair, instead of putting just the straight box dye over it, she's going to mix the conditioner with the hair dye so that I get the vitamin E and everything else that comes with it. It's kind of like when they put a glaze in your hair when you go to a salon. Well, we hope it gets the same effect. So that's what she's doing. Hopefully my hair will still be there in 5 minutes. She's just gonna mix it up. So she's mixing the 3 conditioner with number 1, right? So this is what my roots are looking like. Honestly, kind of looks orange, but I don't know. She also told me before my hair looked blue.
It did look a little blue, a little green.
So my hairstylist is going to hate me when she sees my hair, but we'll see. I also had asked everyone, you know, if I should just dye my hair brown or other colors, and everyone said stay blonde. So this is my way of staying blonde. Do you see how light the rest of my hair is compared still to my roots? And this has been 40 minutes of box dye. And I know how bad box dye is for you, so I'm sorry, but only option. If you live in the US, you know that almost nowhere is delivering to us right now, so I couldn't get my hands on anything else, really. So I had to go to CVS and stand outside for 20 minutes to get box dye. You're just putting it everywhere? Okay, just putting it everywhere, guys.
Isn't that what I'm supposed to do?
I mean, I thought we were just doing the kind of mid to ends of my hair, but...
Well, that's what it is.
Well, I saw you put it, like, you know, at the root, but it's alright.
Okay. I should be combing this through now? I would comb it through a little bit.
You know me. Just do what you gotta do. She's using a, like, wide tooth comb. Ow. So are any of you doing your hair at home? This is gonna be my nails. That's the next video. Do you see these? Do you see them? They're wild. These are my real nails. This is S&S gel, powder gel on it. They're way too long. I can't function anymore. I have insanely long nails in general, and it's just too much at this point. So she's gonna do my nails. So stay tuned.
I'm even worse at nails than I am at hair.
I can't wait.
But it's like curling up, knotting up.
Oh god, great. Oh, I bet she's having fun for torturing me right now. I should have got my roots done before. Like, I feel like we kind of all knew that this was gonna happen. And my, you know, I was kind of afraid to get my nails done and my hair done. Like, you know, everyone. Am I losing hair?
A little bit. It's normal.
Okay. Anyway, like I was saying, I was afraid of going to get my hair and my nails done, but now this is. What are you laughing at?
It's looking a little orange.
My hair's orange.
Your roots are orange.
My roots are orange. So what are we doing about that?
Not sure.
Guys, my roots are orange. They're really, they're soup. This is what it was supposed to look like.
You know what? Once you wash it and you blow it out.
It's gonna be orange. I'm gonna use a shit ton of purple shampoo.
Leave this on.
We're leaving it on. My hair is not being orange.
5 minutes. Can you hold on?
Maybe 10.
That's the hair that came out of you.
This is how much hair came off.
We want to leave it on for 10? And then
Yeah, I'm not freaking having orange roots.
Bye, everybody.
She's leaving. I'm gonna talk to you. As you can see, I lost some hair. This is not really traumatizing me yet. It's not so bad. Hopefully when I wash my hair, more won't fall out. Roots are orange. I was expecting to have either orange or greenish roots. Hopefully we're gonna let this sit for a little longer than usual. I said 40 minutes. Now it's been around an hour. It kind of gives you like a guide. Okay, my hair was, on my roots at least, was here. And it's supposed to come here, right? It was at this light brownish colorish. And then the rest of my hair is white, basically. So it's saying that I'm supposed to be platinum blonde. We shall see. But otherwise, I just wanted to say that I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy. I'm making this whole thing like happy and lively because, you know, I don't want to be down and sad in my videos. I want this to be like a happy place to come, but I do want to just make sure that you guys are okay. I just want to keep creating content. You could use this content, do it yourself, do it at home kind of things, because I know how hard it is right now to go anywhere to get anything done, like your hair, your nails, and all that stuff. It's funny because I bought the color that says LB01 Extra Light Ash Blonde. Cooler. I mean, I see maybe this section cooler, but the rest of my hair is honestly orange right now. I have high hopes that this is gonna just turn itself around with an extra couple of minutes, please, but I don't know. This seems like false advertisement to me. We'll see though. Maybe once I blow it out too. I feel like a good blowout really changes everything. So, we'll see. Okay, so the timer went off and my hair still looks orange. But I'm not going to keep it in any longer because, you know, my hair might fall out. So I'm going to wash it out. I'm going to rinse and then I'm going to go in with purple shampoo because hopefully that will eliminate the orange look, and then I'm going to go with a deep conditioner because I feel like it's going to need that. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to blow out my hair and see if it's still orange. This is what it's come to. I'm back and I look completely different, right? I don't have mascara on anymore because I cried it off because my roots are flaming hot. I was completely afraid that this was gonna happen. I said it was either gonna be green or orange. While I was processing, we were noticing it was orange and more orange and more orange, and I was hoping my purple shampoo was going to, you know, help, and it pretty much helped the rest of my hair. The rest of my hair is white, but I have a hot root, so yeah. Lesson learned, don't dye your hair at home with box dye at least. I then texted people I used to work with and said, help me, please. They said, don't dye your hair brown. So we're not dyeing my hair brown, I guess. I guess what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you. what's going on. I mean, I guess it's not that bad. I hate it, but whatever. I mean, it is bad. I'm not gonna say it's not bad because it's bad. I mean, come on. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to let my hair rest for a little bit because I used box dye, and who knows what's in there, right? And then I'm gonna go buy some more blonde in a different brand and maybe lighter. I feel like her hair even looks kind of golden at the roots. I don't know. Maybe I'm just seeing that. And then I'm gonna go over my roots again. Obviously nothing else. I'm not gonna go over these white pieces. And hopefully after I go over them for the second time, I will have blonde hair everywhere. I don't know. I mean, when you do get a double process, like at a salon, you kind of end up with this, right? After the first time, and then they go back in, and then you have like bleach blonde hair. So maybe that's what my hair needs, like a double process. I'm not really sure. But I, let all my tears out. And yeah, so if I get any more advice from people who work at a salon, I will let you guys know. I'm going to let my hot root sit for a while, and then I'm gonna just do what I said and go to get another box dye and go over the root until I am blonde. Or maybe I will just dye my whole head brown, who knows? But let this be a lesson. Don't dye your hair with L'Oreal Preference and expect to have bleach blonde hair at one try. I also thought that it would be funny if I made a TikTok about this, so I did. It was like, girl, don't do it, one of those, about the box dye. Yeah, and I did it, so don't forget to check out the TikTok. It's linked below. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope this was a little bit entertaining. It really wasn't for me, but whatever. I will keep you guys posted on my hair journey. Hopefully, on my next video, I will have one color hair, whether it be blonde or brown, I'm not sure. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.